everybody, we're trying the new French toast sandwich. I got the sausage, and Thad got something. It's not new.
Double cheese sourdough. I think it's fairly new. It's a sourdough.
But it's the sourdough sandwich.
And it got 2 sausages, egg and cheese.
Mine, I chose not to get the cheese, but it looks really good. I'll tell you here's what it looks like. And I've heard other reviews said the sandwich was mushy, but this one looks absolutely crisp and delicious. So I'll tell you how good it is in a little bit. The maple butter on this French toast is absolutely delicious. It's nice and crispy. It's not soggy at all. And I got mine without cheese because I don't like cheese that well. And it was just delicious. How was yours?
Real good. The bread just needs slightly toasted because it's just a little bit soft, but it's not soggy. It's good.
Thank you for joining, and try that French toast sandwich at Burger King and the sourdough because they're both pretty good.